I'm Vanessa Joy, and I'm going to show you how to do a Twilight shot, and really fast because it's going to be gone in a second. Thanks so much to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. So the thing about Twilight is you have to shoot fast because you only have this bright blue sky for all of like 16 seconds. So let's get started. I am actually going to have you right about here, and then you could face that way, and I'm just going to position my lights around you. I think what I would like to do is hide this light all the way over here so it's out of frame. I really hate editing photos and taking out lighting equipment. That drives me insane. So I'm going to use a grid so I can throw the light and hide the light. I'm also going to turn on my modeling light so I can see that I'm actually pointing it at Michaela. I think I'll probably put it right about there. So I know I'm pointing it at her. So that one's gonna stay here. It is 3B, so we know we'll get back to that in a second. And then my other light, this is the orange gelled one. This is just gonna act as a nice soft backlight kicker to accentuate, just how warm the photo is, and by opposition, how blue the sky is. So let's turn this on, and this is 3C. All right, so I'm gonna position the two of you. Oh, I'm definitely gonna show off this awesome dress. So Amir, you're going to face me on that side. Then you're gonna flip to this side and face him. So come to this shoulder. Yeah, it's like musical chairs. We're still in that way. Good, take a step towards him. Yep, and then Amir takes a step towards me. Good, and then you can take this hand, hold it there, this hand, probably hold on to here, just so this doesn't fly in your face. We don't need that. Take another step, Amir, towards me, and then Michaela, you're gonna really accentuate your hip that way, yes. Because that way you've got like a really nice shoulder action going on, and you're gonna look that direction, and kind of like down, don't look at it, it's gonna flash. And then Amir, you're gonna lean in as much as you can, yes. That should be good. Maybe tilt a little bit this way. Both you guys move your feet a little smidge. Right there, good. You guys stay there, I'm gonna run away. Okay, now we have to come back. I've got a whole scene in mind, and it requires some foreground. I got my whole scene in mind, and the first thing I want to do is I want to expose for my backdrop. All right, so that's a pretty cool shot right there. That exposes the sky and everything nicely. Now I need to expose them by turning on my flash. Let's just turn everything on auto first, and we'll see what happens, and we'll adjust from there. All right, focusing on them. All right, not even remotely what I wanted. All right, you guys, do me a favor, shimmy this way a little bit. So like, yep, good, right there. Awesome. And then my B light, there's that light, so that's good. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. So I think what I would like to do, I'm going to darken my exposure a little bit because they're getting in a lot of that gold light from all these lights in there, and I want to tone that down. That's looking amazing. And now I want to bring up that backlight. So we're going to go to C, and then I'm going to bring that back. Let's put that up to 5 as well. Awesome. Now I've really separated them from the backdrop, and even though they're really tiny kind of in my frame, I've created a really fun image. And we'll zoom in a little bit for some. Yes, this is perfect. You guys are looking awesome. Michaela, look, keep turning and look like kind of over your shoulder, like you're trying to look at your back. That's beautiful. Stay just like that, guys. So the next thing I want to do is I'm going to change my lens to the 135. So I've got my nice wide shot here. Now I want to get like close and intimate. So I'm just going to change to the EF 135, also an f2 lens. You guys are going to do the exact same thing. This time I'm going to raise all the way up. Yeah. And get some nice, pretty bouquet in here. I'm gonna back up a little bit. Yeah, so now I've got light in the front, light in the back, lots of Twilight. Awesome. All right, now I want to get even closer, so we're gonna go actually talk to them. So my night sky is kind of going away here, but I still see it on this side. So I'm gonna turn around and do a couple more. This looks so fun, guys. Yeah, now I can see. And then I'll get all that background light. Cool, so we're just gonna reverse this. Hey photographers, before we jump in, I just want to take a minute to thank our sponsor, Squarespace, for sponsoring this video. Now, if you are a photographer who's thinking about having a website, think about using Squarespace. And let me just tell you, this isn't hype. I personally have used Squarespace for like well over a decade for so many of the websites I have had in the past. It's one of the biggest front-facing things I've done for my business. And here's why. Number one, it's beautiful, photographer friendly, tons of templates. Your website is your first impression, and Squarespace gives you clean, modern templates that make your photos look like $1 million without needing a designer. Drag, drop, done. And of course, you could hire Squarespace designers. There's a ton of them. It also has built-in SEO that actually works. The galleries, that's another big thing. You know, they make sure they don't take forever to load. Squarespace's engine optimizes the way that your photos look, so they're always crisp and clean, even on mobile. Fourth, integrated client booking tools and contracts. If you're trying to go to e-commerce and delivering, maybe you're selling prints, Squarespace keeps everything all in one place. If you've been trying to DIY your website or use something else, stop. Give yourself the same professional presence you give to your clients. Head over to Squarespace. I've got a discount for you. You can use this code. Thank you again, Squarespace, for sponsoring me, this channel, and supporting photographers and supporting this community, making it possible for myself and photographers everywhere to keep working. Okay, back to the video. All right, we're gonna raise this up a little bit to their level, about there. All right, we can bring that up here.
Okay.
And I think I'll leave this light here for now. Let me just see where I want my frame to be.
I don't see that box.
All right, yeah, let's get a wide first, because that's more fun. Ooh, it is windy. All right, I'm gonna go back to that. All right, for this one, Amir, I'm gonna have you, you're gonna step like you're walking that way and grab your hand back to find Michaela's. Now the trick to this is both of you being in that light. So Amir, you're in a good spot. It's hitting you. Yes, and that's perfect, Michaela. I love you a little bit back. So it's both hitting you, and you're both gonna kind of turn that way. And yeah, that looks pretty good. Let's just see where we're at. Oh, so incredible. I didn't even change power or anything. There's not much change. I just turned around. Oh, this is so much fun. Go ahead, put your hand on your hip, Michaela. Yeah, that is amazing. And then Amir, look down like you're just actually walking, and then both of you guys kind of like rock forward and back. Yes, so you got like a little movement in there. And then keep looking down while you do that, Amir. Yeah, we usually look down while we walk. Now I'm gonna change to a close-up. I am gonna go back to my original settings because I do want this at f2 to get all that bokeh. Sweet. And for this one, if you guys don't mind facing each other, just kind of like do one of these. Arms around the waist. Michaela, you're gonna drop, kind of rest in. And then the hand that's closest to me, bring it in like you're cold. Yes. But you're both gonna look that way towards Lindsay here and kind of go like, try to get your heads kind of close together. Yes, right there, that's perfect. And Michaela, drop your shoulder, so like relax down. Yeah, really elongate that neck. Amir, look at her. Then Michaela, you can look at me over your shoulder, kind of smirk. Good, and look towards each other. Love it. All right. Oh my gosh, we have so much stuff. I could shoot this forever. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you hit subscribe, ring the bell. I've got lots of videos on here about business, photography, posing, lighting, all that. I'll see you next time.